guys, welcome to another video. So we've had some brand spanking new products arrive from Born Pretty. They are available right now on the website, so if any of them take your fancy, you can head on over there and get some yourself. This is a little clue as to what some of them are. That's all you're getting. Right, so do you know what, guys? I really like Born Pretty's new upgraded look. I like how everything comes in these boxes. It just looks so much more professional now, doesn't it? But even though they've upgraded the look, the prices are still really affordable, which I really like. So we've got 2 thermal gels and we have got 3 of the new reflective glass cat magnetic gels. Wait until you see these, guys. I know I have gone a little bit crazy for cat eyes just lately, but once you see these, it will be totally justified, let me tell you. So I'm just going to get everything unboxed and we're going to give it all a little swatch and have a look at it all. Right, so that's them all unboxed. They all come in 10ml glass bottles. You've got the name on the label on the side of these, and then on the thermals the label's on the bottom. So I think we're going to swatch the thermals first because I want to save the cat eyes till last because they're my favourite. So the first thermal we're going to look at is colour number 9. I do like that you've got your ingredients on the back of these as well. This is a beautiful colour. I actually don't think I've got one like this. Now, with these thermals, guys, make sure you give them a really good shake, which actually I didn't do. I probably should have. Could really do with 2 coats. I really like that colour. So that's what it looks like after 1 coat. Then that's what it looks like after 2 coats. So after 2 coats, that's full coverage. I really like that colour, you know. Going to be great for this time of year. So I'm going to give that a cure. And that is what colour it's like when it's warm. Look at that. And then we've got thermal number 22. Ooh, that's a really unusual one. Look at that one. It's like a bright reddy orange with gorgeous bits of glitter in there. Look at that. Beautiful. Give that a cure. Right, guys, so I've got some hot water and some cold water. Let's take a look at these. So that's the colour that they go when they're hot. And then the bottom half is the colour that they go when they're cold. Now, I had an idea in mind for these when I was choosing my colours. And can I think for the life of me what I wanted to do? I know what I wanted to do, but I can't think of the actual design what I wanted to do. Without saying too much and giving too much away. So I'm going to have a sit down and think what it was I wanted to do with them. Because I can't remember. But I really like them. They are so cool. Love them. So that's what they would look like when they're on the nail. Because obviously your finger would be warm and then your tip will be cold. They're really cool. So yeah, I just need to sit down and have a think of what I wanted to do. But the idea I've got in mind is a really cool idea. So definitely want to do it. Now we're on to the cat eyes. I'm so excited for these, as you can probably tell. So the first one is number 3. Oh, that is a beautiful colour just on its own. And guys, just when I think there's nothing cooler they can do with these cat eyes, they just go and do it again. Right, wait until you see this. So that's what it looks like on its own. Absolutely beautiful. Right, so guys, look at this. Look at that. Can you see that green coming out? Wow. Now, Born Pretty, they did like a... I don't even know how they did it, but obviously not like that. No, it was nothing like that, guys. Nothing like that. They managed to get like 2 smile lines of different colours. Right, let me try what I usually like to do. So I usually like to bring the colour out. And I usually like to do like a little swirly pattern like this. But I'm still not getting the 2 colours like they are. But I don't really care because that is really, really smart. Look at those colours. Wow, give that a cure. Next up, we've got colour number 5. Oh, wow. I have got a couple of chameleon glitters that are this colour. Oh, they're going to match this perfect. I've got a fine and I've got a chunky. Oh, look at this. Oh, that is well smart. Wow, look at that. My camera's doing that no justice whatsoever. And then lastly, we've got colour number 6. Oh, that's pretty. I like that one just on its own. Look at that one. Beautiful. And that is all the swatches, guys. Look at those. They're just stunning. Especially the cat eyes. I do like the thermals as well, but oh, it's them cat eyes, guys. They're just beautiful, aren't they? I'm going to try and get a better picture of those. If I do manage to get a better picture, then I shall pop that in the screen now. Because I think with all these lights on and these being reflective as well, you're not seeing the true colour as bright as I'm seeing it. They're so much more vibrant to the eye. And I think it's my lighting and the reflective that's causing that. And that is everything for today's video, guys. A nice quick swatch video for you. I was going to do a design using these reflective glass cat eyes. And I have got a really cool design in mind for these. And I think you guys will agree. Looking at these, what do they remind you of? Now, they remind me of Aurora Borealis. So I'd really like to do an Aurora Borealis design. And I wouldn't have had enough time to do it in today's video, so I've saved a few pictures. I shall pop them on the screen now. So these are my inspo ideas. I'm seeing Aurora Borealis in the sky, reflecting on a lake and like silhouette mountains and things like that. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think they'll be cool? So I'm definitely going to do that this week at some point. So keep your eyes peeled for that video. And like I said earlier, I've got an idea in mind for these thermals as well. A really cool idea. But I can't remember of the actual theme that I wanted to go with. So I'm going to have to sit down and have a think. See if I can remember what I wanted to do. But I think I am going to do the cat eye design first. Because they are my favourite. I just wish I managed to get that double lime like Born Pretty managed to do. I'm definitely going to have a bit more of a play about with these because I'm dying to try and get that double smile line. So take a guess what I am going to be doing tomorrow, guys. I'm going to be sitting here playing with cat eyes. No, I'm not. I haven't got time tomorrow, but I am definitely going to sit down and have a proper play with them. See if I can get that effect. So like I said at the beginning, these are available on the Born Pretty website right now. I shall leave the links to these in my description box. I have got a 10% off discount code for Born Pretty as well, guys. So don't forget to pop GG10 in at checkout to save yourself 10% off your whole order. I'll leave that pinned in my comments along with a link to the Born Pretty website. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.